You can save your battery in Samsung devices by changing these settings. First, open Settings. Here, search for Printing. Tap on it. Then turn off the nearby device scanning. It consumes battery by searching nearby devices for sharing files. Then go back and tap on Printing. Turn off the default printing service. Now go to Display Settings. Tap on Motion Smoothness. Make it down to standard with 60 Hz. It consumes 40% less battery than 120 Hz. Then turn on the adaptive brightness to limit the brightness as per the sunlight position. Next, go to Battery section, then Background Usage Limits. Here, make sure Put in Used Apps to Sleep is turned on. It will set the Rare Used Apps to Sleep mode. You can check the sleeping apps from here. Also, you can add any apps to the mode manually by plus icon. You can also change them to deep sleeping apps to not let them use any data and battery. Now search for Device Care. Check if any scan is needed. Now search for Device Care. Check if any scan is needed. Scan the phone to optimize the usage of overall implication of the applications. It would take some time. Hit like and subscribe to the channel for more updates.